Let's go to meteorologist Pamela Gardner right now to talk about the latest with Francine. What do we know? What's the timing here?
Yeah, over the next 24 hours, we're expecting it to go under rapid intensification. So right now it is a tropical storm, but then it will become as big as a Category 2 hurricane. So that's going to help to increase the chances for the storm surge along the coast, as well as the flooding rainfall, but then increasing its forward speed. So it's not going to stall out and linger day after day in these areas. It's kind of okay, it moves into land and then it just moves away. So it's going to be tricky the next several hours for sure as we start to see all this heavy rain. But the center of that storm down to the south, and the organization of this storm continues to evolve as we go through the next several hours. Winds of 65, gusts up to 75. So it is still a tropical storm, and we anticipate it becoming a Category 1, then perhaps almost a 2. But latest update now from the National Hurricane Center, a Category 1, so a strong Category 1 hurricane. Expecting this to go up the Mississippi River Valley into the Ohio Valley, bringing in tons of rainfall there, but no effects for us here in New England from this particular storm. Lots of rain, hurricane warnings posted, tropical storm warnings, etc., all along the coast of Louisiana into Mississippi as well. And here's some of the timing with that storm, the precip hour by hour, 11 p.m., starting to see things go downhill with the rapid wind speeds. By 1 o'clock, late afternoon, early evening, expecting landfall somewhere along the middle of the coast of Louisiana. How about the rainfall forecast there? Well, it looks like anywhere from 9 to 12 inches of rain or greater, too, with a very thin swath. And then expecting over 6 inches of rain for much of Mississippi into Alabama. So how do we stack up 2024 Atlantic hurricane season? We're now to Francine for the name on the list. Gordon, Helene, that would be coming up next if we see anything named. So here's the update. We have Francine there that we're tracking, but also a couple areas of development. A medium chance of development with this disturbance, and then we have a high chance here that could become our next named storm. As we look here at home, our weather's just absolutely fantastic. Wellness weathercast today. The pollen count's moderate. It's all the weeds in the sky that you may be breathing in, coughing or sneezing from that. Air quality's good. UV index is high, and the humidity nice and low. That makes a huge difference out there, with temperatures running in the 60s to 70s across greater Boston. North Shore to the South Shore, we're in the 70s. We have 60s up across Concord and Nashua, and more 70s in store for today as we reach that high of 75 degrees. The wind from the north and west. And tonight we expect temperatures to drop into the 50s and 40s in the suburbs, with a big rebound tomorrow, near 80 degrees farther inland, and then a sea breeze kicks in, keeping us at 74 for Boston. But picturesque weather, the humidity not even an issue until late next week. So there's your 10-day. We go up into the 80s Thursday and Friday with slightly cooler temps Saturday and Sunday, but no rain in the 10-day.